Hey you guys, I just recorded the whole video and I thought y'all could see me, but you couldn't. So now we have to start over. But it's all good. Alright, so this video is about how to two-strand twist. And my name is Anaya, and we just gonna jump straight in. I don't like all those long introduction videos. We just gonna get to it. Okay, first though, you want to start on, well, you don't have to start on dry hair. You can start on freshly washed hair or whatever. But me personally, today, I started on stretched, detangled hair. As you see, I had already did two. But we just gonna take these out because I had already did them. So I already parted. Comb it out just to show you. Comb it out. Boom. Parted my hair like this. I did it in an oval shape. That's how I got it. Boom. And it's already parted, so that's why I just push it down. But that's all I did. Then you get your water, because you want your hair to be wet and moisturized. Wet it. You go comb through. Get some of your product, just a little bit. I don't have a lot, as you can see. Smooth it on here. Split it down the middle. You want to grab two fairly even parts. See, I'm starting over because I don't feel like both my sides are even. You can just simply do it with your finger. Grab two. Alright, and I'm going to show you the difference in starting when you grab from here versus grabbing from the root from here. So, this first twist, we're going to start out grabbing it from here. Still doing it tightly, whatever. And you want to take this is the right strand, left strand. You want to go clockwise. Boom. As you can see, clockwise. Boom. Clockwise. Boom. And you just keep doing it. Simple. That's it. And when you get to the end, you're going to take your finger, grab the hair, and just do like this. Curl it around so the ends can seal. A few times. Boom. You see, doing that, that's how the end got to look like this. Curly at the end. Alright. Now you're going to see the difference. And so we're going to take this twist. I parted it all the same. But we're going to take it loose. Comb it out. It's still wet. Take your water. Spray. Smooth. Product. Smooth. It's just like a process. Part water, smooth. Product, smooth. I don't know, I just tried to make some and it didn't work out, so comb it out. Now, doing it the same way we just did. But the difference is, like I said, we're going to grab from the root versus grabbing from the middle of the strand. So we're still going to part it down the middle. Try to make it even so that it doesn't look lopsided. So, because you want to be as neat as possible, right? Of course, you always want to be neat as possible. And so, you're just going to take the right strand, grabbing at the root, When I say at the root, I'm talking close to your scalp as you can get. At the root. See my fingers? At the root. And you still gonna go clockwise. Now this way, when you grab at the root, when you begin, it may be a little harder, but don't give up. That's when I use this finger to help me. As I'm going, I use that to place it in, hold it in between so that I can grab the other one. Still grabbing at the root and twist. Boom. Same way. Boom. Same way. Still twisting the same. And when you're two-strand twisting your real hair, I don't really recommend grabbing parts of hair from the other strand, because when you take it out, that is how you get tangles, which can cause like knots in your hair, and I don't recommend. That's why I say start off even. You don't want to grab a small piece on the right side, large piece on the other side, because that's how you get make it uneven. And then that will force you to grab hair from the other side of the hair, so from the other side. If the right side is smaller than the left side, when you're twisting it, you're gonna run out of hair, and that's gonna cause you to want to grab hair from the left side to make the right side bigger or the same as the left side, so you can finish your twist. But you don't want to do that when you're doing it with your real hair. Now, if you're doing it with weave, then it really doesn't matter, because you don't really care if the weave gets tangled or not, because it's not your real hair. But your real hair, you want to take extra special care of it, because that's how you start to get hair coming out and all that good stuff. Alright, so you see the difference in the way this twist look versus this one. This one is tighter. This one is looser. And not so. This one is puffier at the root. This one, not so puffy. That's how you make your hairstyle last longer. So, moral of the story is you want to grab from the root. Don't grab from the middle of the strand, from the end of the strand. Grab from the root. Yes, it may take longer if you're a beginner, but that's just what you want to do to make your hairstyle look the best that it possibly can. So the tips that I'm saying, like I said, grab from the root, use water. If you don't have some type of other product to use, I didn't show y'all my products in this video. I forgot I said that. I'll show that later. But you want to grab from the root, not the middle of the strand. Use water. Definitely use water. If you don't use anything else, use water, because your hair needs to be hydrated. 3, don't grab hair from the other half of your twist, because that can cause tangling and single knots in your hair, and you don't want that. And 4, just take your time. If you begin to be patient, all that, just be patient. Yes, it may not look how you want it to look when you first start out, because when I first started doing it, my twist was just like, I started out on transitioning hair actually, so I had to use rollers on the end. But practice makes perfect. That is a very true saying, so don't give up. Most of all, don't give up. But I think those are my only tips. I'm going to show you my products. I'm just using the locking gel. As you can see, that's what I use. Got my water. And then I'm just using regular old clips. Just to pin my hair up. Just to comb. I use the dread hair actually. Alright. So like I said, don't give up. Practice makes perfect. And thank y'all for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see, what kind of other tutorials y'all want to see. I could do. Just request it and I'll let you know. if I could do it or not. I'll try to respond to y'all, but thank y'all so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope it helped. And most of all, be happy, stay blessed.